Attention viewer, you are watching the world's biggest Monster Truck Diecast YouTube channel. This is Monster Jam OCD.
Well, hello everyone and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD review video. Today is actually a preview of Mix 13, and I've had a lot of people asking me when I'm doing a Mix 13 preview, and it's this week that they start, and I will have Mix 13 reviewed in the last week of July. And today we are looking at Mix 13's Superman, but before we go to there, I want to recap the new Spin Master original concept Batman, which we received in Mix 11, which was our first DC contract truck that Spin Master made themselves with their own design team. And as I mentioned in my Mix 12 review, Wonder Woman is also part of the Heroes and Villains series, but Wonder Woman was a concept by Monster Jam. Batman was designed by Spin Master. So Batman is a very unique truck. Obviously, it came in Mix 11. If you guys haven't seen it yet, here it is. And I will link the Mix 11 review at the end of this video so you guys can check it out if you guys missed it. But today, it's all about the brand new concept Superman, which Spin Master also redesigned themselves in their design studio. And there will be one more truck. It is not a hero, but rather one of the villains, which is the Joker truck. And that will be coming out in Mix 14. And that is going to be one of the best trucks of the year, in my opinion. I love the idea, I love the concept, and I can't wait to see what it looks like in final product. But this is the Superman, and as you can see, the big difference from what we've had in the past with Superman. Superman has gone through a couple different phases. Obviously, Man of Steel was one of them, and the original Superman body. So this one is definitely a unique take on Superman, but I gotta applaud Spin Master for a lot of cool details on this truck. So let's check it out up close here. First off, I want to really applaud the clear coat and the paint color. Spin Master has definitely been improving with paint colors, and this is one of those cases. You can see it has a pearlescent, almost pearlescent blue with some metal flake and a very nice clear coat. But here's the side panel here, and you can see it has the Superman logo and the Monster Jam logo, but the actual casting has a ton of detail in it. And you can see it's like a curved back here with the cape, and then we have the front with the detail of the grille. And if you guys haven't noticed, the headlights are actually lasers shooting out, and that's because Superman, I think, has laser vision. So you can see it looks like lasers coming out of these headlights onto the fenders. That's so cool. And then we have a 3D Superman logo on the hood with a lot of intricate detailing in the casting on the roof and the hood, and especially the grille here. And you can see there's a gray grille print. Then we have a red roll cage, blue rims, black tires, a chrome chassis, and then if we go to the back here, we have a pretty cool tailgate. I like the design. It's definitely a unique design for a pickup truck. It modifies the pickup truck into a different style truck. The Wonder Woman is very similar to this on the curve on the back. I think it reminded me a lot of that originally when I saw it, but it definitely is not the same on the back. And you can see it has the DC Comics trademark right there. And if you notice here, this cape is not plastic. It's the first Superman that doesn't have a plastic cape. This is a actual die-cast metal cape that covers the engine and everywhere. And then you can see it has a small back window, and the cape kind of goes and fades into the door. And then it's a singular cab truck. And then this side with the same stuff going on. And that is Superman. So Superman is coming out in Mix 13, which is due for August 25th in stores. However, that date is definitely not probably going to happen. We have barely had any sightings of Mix 10 through 11, and now Mix 12 actually was found in stores in New Jersey. So I'm sorry that I give the dates that are originally planned, but you know, I can't control the distribution, but all I can say is that these should be coming out at some point this year. So there is Superman, and here is the Batman, and next up is the villain Joker, the first ever villain truck that they're making into monster truck form. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Let me know what you guys think about the Superman in the comments below.